harness and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Exiting guests, please lift up on your safety harness and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Griffon and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, please step quickly and carefully into the seats directly in front of you. Proceeding to the next available seat, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt. Loose articles are not permitted on Griffon. Please ensure that glasses and sunglasses are worn properly during the entire ride. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step back. The gates are now closing. During your ride, please remain seated with your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train with your head against the headrest at all times.
In platform. Platform clear.
Now prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon. Exiting guests, please lift up on your safety harness and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Griffon and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.